you're looking for a unique Christmas starter recipe, this Mini-Flammkuchen snack will knock you off. The dough is exactly the same like for the traditional Flammkuchen. So mix flour, cold water, oil and salt in a large bowl. Knead for about 3 to 5 minutes. The dough should be smooth and not sticky. Cover the bowl with a lid or a plastic wrap and let the dough rest for at least 30 minutes. The plastic wrap prevents the dough from drying. In the meanwhile, you can prepare your toppings. Peel and cut the onion into halves and then thin slices. Flammkuchen will bake for a short period of time, so the slices must be thin. In a small bowl, mix crème fraîche, salt, pepper and nutmeg. Do not make the mixture too salty. Bacon cubes will be on the top of it after all. To make Flammkuchen snack, preheat the oven to 250 degrees Celsius or 480 degrees Fahrenheit. Let the baking tray warm up in the oven. After resting, transfer the dough to a lightly floured work surface and knead for another minute. Divide the dough into smaller pieces and then using a rolling pin, roll it out into very flat circles. Take large Christmas cookie cutters, the largest you have, and cut the dough into shapes. If you manage, cut some more from the dough scraps, although re-rolling is hard. Place the dough shapes on the parchment paper or a silicone mat. Spread at least 1 teaspoon of crème fraîche mixture on each piece of the dough. Be generous with it, otherwise the snack will be dry. Top the dough with a few onion slices and 3 to 4 bacon cubes. Carefully remove the hot baking tray with the oven gloves and transfer the parchment paper or silicone mat to the top of the baking tray. If you cannot do it yourself, ask somebody for help. Bake the snack for 8 to 10 minutes. The snack is ready as soon as the edges start to brown. More information about this recipe you're gonna find on my blog. The link to the recipe is in the description box down below. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!